Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode on my YouTube channel. So in our today's episode, let's quickly discuss 5 MCQs of CNS. So our first question is, which of the following protein deposition or defect is associated with corresponding neurodegenerative disease? Option A, tau protein is associated with amyotrophic lateral sclerosis. Option B, Fus protein is associated with Huntington's disease. Option C, polyglutamine aggregates are associated with Alzheimer's disease. Or option D, alpha synuclein is associated with Parkinson's disease. So which option is correct according to you? Well, yes, option D, alpha synuclein is associated with Parkinson's disease. Parkinson's disease is characterized by the accumulation of abnormal protein aggregates, primarily composed of alpha synuclein, within nerve cells of certain brain regions. These aggregates are known as Lewy bodies and Lewy neurites, and their presence in the brain is a pathological hallmark of Parkinson's disease. Alpha synuclein is a small protein normally found in presynaptic nerve terminals where it plays a role in regulating neurotransmitter release. In Parkinson's disease, alpha synuclein misfolds and aggregates, leading to neuronal dysfunction and cell death, contributing to the symptoms of the disease. Tau protein is associated with other neurodegenerative disorders such as Alzheimer's disease, while Fus protein is implicated in amyotrophic lateral sclerosis and polyglutamine aggregates are linked to Huntington's disease. Let's move ahead to the next question. What is a characteristic feature of diffuse midline glioma? Option A occurs predominantly in adults. Option B associated with H3K27M mutation. Option C typically located in the periphery of the brain. Option D associated with a favorable prognosis. So which option is correct according to you? Well, yes, option B, associated with H3K27M mutation is the correct option. Diffuse midline glioma is indeed associated with the H3K27M mutation. This mutation affects the histone H3 protein, leading to tumor formation. It is a defining characteristic of this type of glioma. Let's move ahead to the next question. Which type of skin cancer is frequently associated with Gorlin syndrome? Option A, melanoma. Option B, squamous cell carcinoma. Option C, basal cell carcinoma. Or option D, Merkel cell carcinoma. So which is the correct option according to you? Well, yes, option C, basal cell carcinoma is the correct option. Basal cell carcinoma is associated with Gorlin syndrome. Gorlin syndrome is a rare genetic disorder characterized by the development of multiple basal cell carcinomas, often at a young age. It is associated with PTCH mutation. Let's move ahead to the next question. Which genetic alteration is associated with ependymomas occurring above the tentorium in the brain, particularly in children, and is linked to a poor prognosis? Option A, RELA gene fusion. Option B, PTEN mutation. Option C, IDH mutation. Or option D, EGFR amplification. So which option is correct according to you? Well, yes, option A, RELA gene fusion is the correct answer. Ependymomas occur above the tentorium in the brain, particularly in children, and have been associated with a genetic alteration known as RELA gene fusion. Moving ahead to the last question for today's discussion is, in which of the following conditions can the characteristic histological appearance of oligodendroma be observed in the bone marrow biopsy? Option A, hairy cell leukemia. Option B, acute myeloid leukemia. Option C, chronic lymphocytic leukemia. Or option D, multiple myeloma. So which is the correct option according to you? Well, yes, option A, hairy cell leukemia is the correct answer. The characteristic histological appearance of fried egg cells resembling oligodendroglioma can be observed in the bone marrow biopsy of patients with hairy cell leukemia. So that's all for our today's episode. I hope you liked this video, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this video for the future updates. See you in the next episode. Till then, bye. Take care.